There are 3 types of assemblies that we'll have at Greenbelt this year. 3 types. Everybody put 3 up. 3 types. You can put your hands down. The first one is for school spirit. And that's kind of like a competition where you're going to be loud throughout the entire assembly. You're going to be cheering and rooting. The second type of assembly is one that you've already had, and that's the fundraiser. We had a fundraiser earlier in the year. That's one where we listen to the speaker, and at times the speaker will ask us to engage, kind of like a call and response. Echo what I'm saying, things of that nature. And then the third one is what we have today. We have an academic or a musical assembly where all eyes are on the stage and we're recognizing every individual or every group that comes on the stage.
Just a reminder, I'm going to call all of my principals on roll so we can get through them, and then we'll applause. Ronan Jackson, Theo Larson, Noora Marsom, Dora McKenzie, Diego Pineda, and Benjamin Tweedy Bassman. Let's congratulate.
Good morning, everyone. All right, we're going to start with our AB honor roll. Angel, come on up. Remember to hold your applause until we all come up. Hazel. Sayer. Oche. Santi. Abdul, Victor, and Faith and Miss Ayel, who are absent today, but want to mention their names. All right, moving on to principals honor roll. Straight A students. Sarah, come on up. Jude. Irene, Arena, Josh, Anna, Adonius, and we have one absent today, Sama. All right, let's give it up for Team Rosenberg House. Miss Aladdin will present hers next.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Nelson. Good morning, everyone. I think 2nd and 3rd grade had more energy than 4th and 5th grade this morning. So on behalf of the administrators, teachers, and staff of Greenbelt Elementary School, students, we would like to congratulate you all on a job well done for the 1st quarter. We are very proud of all of our students who made the principals and the AB honor roll. The purpose of awards assemblies truly serves for 2 reasons. Number 1, it is definitely to recognize and celebrate all of your hard work for the 1st quarter. But it also is a source of motivation or encouragement. Maybe you want to make sure that your name is called again in the 2nd quarter. Maybe you did not receive a certificate today, but that's okay. You're going to work hard and be ready to be recognized in the next quarter. As always, parents and family, we thank you all for all of your continuous support during the quarter, encouraging students, making sure we're reading and practicing at home, checking those grades via family portal, and being in communication with our teachers. And teachers and staff, thank you all for all of your hard work and commitment throughout the quarter. Again, congratulations, students, and we look forward to celebrating you once again in quarter 2. Thank you.